Another problem you might be expected to do with circles is to sketch a circle given the equation and identify the center and the radius. Well, the first thing to notice about this is not in standard form, so we can't even figure out the radius by looking at it. So let's get to work putting it in standard form. Let's get the x squared minus 6x together, the y squared minus 2y together, and let's put the minus 6 on the other side of the equation. Now we're going to do something I know you love doing, which is to complete the square. Take the 6, divide it by 2 is 3, and square it, plus 9 to the other side of the equation. Take the 2, divide it in half, and square it. That's plus 1. Always have to balance the equation. And since these are now perfect squares, we have x minus 3 squared, y minus 1 squared equals 9 and 1 is 10 minus 6 is 4, and it's in standard form now. Well, some of the things that we can tell from the standard form is that the center is h and k, and remember the formula has minus in it, so this minus is not with the 3. This minus doesn't mean this is a minus 3. This is subtraction, and the h is 3. So this is 3, this is the k, the minus goes with the equation, and this is a 1. Then the radius, well, since this is r squared, the radius must be the square root of 4, so the radius is 2. Okay, let's now graph this circle. We have the center, 1, 2, 3, 1. We know the radius is 2, so typically we'll just go 2 to the right, 2 to the left, up 2, and down 1, 2, and we get 4 new points. Yeah, makes it a little easier to draw, but it's still hard drawing a circle freehand. So the center is at 3, 1, and this one would be 5, 3. This one here would be 1, 1. This one I'm going to add to the y, so it would be 3, 3, and this one I'm going to subtract from the y, 3 minus 1.